Hi friends, this is Suzy, your Candy Crush guru. It is August 9th, 2024, and the Strands theme of the day is Back to Nature. Back to Nature. I wonder if the back has anything to do with it. Back to nature. So, first thing I think of is organic. Org. Oh, out. First thing I think of is outdoors. Outdoorsy. Outdoorsy. Spangram done. Spangram done. Next thing I see is steak. I don't think that's gonna be it. Oh, I see swim. And fish. And camp. And where's hike? Hike. And what in the world is that going to be? Forage. And bird watch. I saw watch. That didn't look right on its own, so I'm glad I found bird. And this is all together. Stargaze. All right, that was a fun one. I did the hiking today. I didn't do any foraging, camping, fishing, swimming. We did do bird watching a little bit. I mean, just, oh, look at that cute little finch. Yeah, and I think I'll do some stargazing tonight. And that is it for me. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to put those below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.